In January of next year, Samsung is anticipated to reveal the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, some of their most important features and color choices have already been leaked. New details on additional online-only hues for certain models have emerged since some months ago. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus will be available in 3 online-only colors: pink gold, coral red, and blue/black, according to industry insider Ross Young. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, will come in 3 unique colors: titanium pink/silver, titanium jade green, and titanium blue/black. These unique Samsung frequently provides a variety of colors in-store, but keeps some exclusive selections for its online store. Colors are apparently limited in quantity and are probably intended for online orders. Here is a summary of the color options available for each Galaxy S25 model: moonlight blue, silver shadow, sparkling blue, sparkling green, coral red, pink gold, and blue/black online exclusive. The colors of the Galaxy S25 Plus are midnight black, midnight blue, silver shadow, blue/black online exclusive, coral red online exclusive, pink gold online exclusive, and sparkling blue and green. Titanium black, blue, gray, silver, blue/black online exclusive, jade green online exclusive, and pink/silver online exclusive are the hues available for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Consumers of today reject strong processors with subpar performance or efficient ones with inadequate thermal management, preferring a compromise between performance and energy efficiency. Samsung needs to make sure the S25 Ultra satisfies performance and cooling requirements in order to compete with rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which makes use of Apple's second-generation 3M chip. According to reports, the business intends to improve the cooling technology of the gadget in order to regulate the heat produced by the high-performance Oron CPU. This will be accomplished by combining improved software and hardware innovations for improved thermal control. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.